Saturday, we got their hey Mama, let's go sleep in this. Okay, baby. And they went to sleep. Okay. Beep.
And then after that, what happened?
Yeah, they wake up and then they went to doctor. And then the baby doctor, and then the mommy doctor took the baby doctor and then the princess doctor. They were shut down and said, yeah, down and they went home.
And then after that, where did they go?
They went to home and then got some food at the store and then he went home.
And did they eat the food?
Yeah, and he went home.
And did they go poo-poo?
No.
What did they do?
They went home.
Did they go to sleep because they were tired or what?
Yeah, they went to sleep.
Like, can you pretend like you're sleeping?
Yeah, and I went to sleep too with my princess.
You did?
Yeah, I was so tired and I said, hey princess, is it time to wake up? She said, yep, it's time for wake up. So they wake up and they eat snap and then they eat snap so they can get ready to go to their house. No, I don't want to go to their house, Mommy. I don't want to go to their house, Mommy. No, that's for later. Okay. No, I don't want to go to their house. So this for later, baby. Okay? Okay.
Put down the water.
Stop.
Okay, where are you swimming in the lake? Can you tell me about the lake?
Yeah.
Do you like
in
it?
The lake, and the other people go swimming in the lake and say, whoa, this is fun. Yep, it's fun. And they had a boy and a girl right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, some sort. And it's pretty cool or something. What happened so much? Okay, what are you doing with that?
Did you find a flower?
Yeah, but it's your flower.
Thanks.
But I give it to you.
Thank you.
But I want a flower too. I want to go get a flower.
Sure, I'll get you one.
Oh, and then that way, and then the fun, and the one chicken nut, and one chicken for Mommy and Dad.
Nothing in the world in the water.
The end.
The end. Bye-bye.
Bye.